Okay, so we have been going over a lot of surface area problems where we take 3D shapes, break them into nets, and then find the total surface area of the faces and bases. And today we're going to continue this review. So the pyramid in the picture has a square base, and its lateral faces are triangles that are exact copies of one another. Find the surface area of the pyramid. Well, first of all, if it's telling us that it is a square pyramid, then we know that the base is a square. They have also mentioned it in the word problem itself, so we know that this shape right here is actually a square shape. So I can go ahead and start drawing out the net with the correct dimensions in preparation to find the surface area. Well, keeping that in mind, now that we have the base of our shape, what are the shapes of the sides of the pyramid? Well, I see that if I rotated this in my head, there would be four triangles on each side. So I can continue to draw the triangular sides. I'm just going to change the color so we can see it a little bit better. And I see that these lateral faces here are in the shape of a triangle and that there are four of them. I also see that the height of each triangle, since they're exact copies, is 7 centimeters. So I can add that to every triangle here, showing that they are the exact, same. Alrighty. So now that we have our net and the dimensions match the faces of the net, what area formulas do we need for each shape? Well, I know for a square, if I look at my star chart, the formula is area equals base times height. And then I know for our triangle, the formula is area equals 1/2 the base times the height. And since there are four of the exact same triangular shape, I can then multiply it by 4. And I know that at the end, if I add all of these areas up, I will get the surface area of our pyramid. Great. Now that we have everything prepped, we can begin substituting our information into our formulas. So I know the base and height of the square is 6, which is 36 centimeters squared. So the area of the square is 36 centimeters squared. And I know the base and height of the triangle is 6 by 7, and I can do half of 6 first to get 3. And 3 times 7 is 21. So that's the area of one triangle, but I know that I can now multiply it by 4 so I can get all 4 triangles since they are exactly the same. And the area of 4 triangles is 84 centimeters squared. Well, am I finished now that I have the area of each shape? I am not quite there because now I know that I need to add 36 plus 84 together so that I can get my total surface area. So the surface area of the pyramid is 120 centimeters squared. So let's stamp. Now to find the surface area of a 3D shape, we first decompose it to a 2D net like we did here. We find the area of each face and base using the correct formula, and then we add up those areas to find the total surface area. Let's try more pyramids on our own.